Hello guys. Usually I don't do reviews for stuff that train, stuff like that, but finally Montreal have their own automated light train. So what does it do? That light train from leaving from city center would get you to the airport within 15 minutes or help you cross bridges, or if you're going to another city such as South Shore or Nons Island, that train would help you get there faster. You would not get stuck in traffic because bridges means getting stuck in traffic. So you must get off at Bonaventure Station, all right? And as you come up, you're gonna see something, this right here, okay? You can't go wrong when you see all those trains logos, okay? The one that you're looking for, it's the red, so they said it's this way. Let's find out, is it worth it? Listen, I don't want to study in travel, but I'm glad for the people of the city of Montreal. It's just there are so many countries with that train in function already, services their population. That's yeah. Okay, so it's got to be through here, I guess. Let me see. All right. Okay, so let's rock and roll. Yeah. I remember riding a train like that in Toronto over 10 years ago, and yes, it did take me. It took me to the city center within 15 minutes. There's no stoppage, there's no light, nothing. But this is nothing new. I'm doing this just to find out how does it work, and how much we gotta pay, and but many cities around the planet already have an automated train that services their population. So, with all due respect, Montreal, the only thing big about Montreal, I think it's the name. No offense, because you're behind. This thing's been in Toronto, which is also in Canada, just like Montreal is, for over decades ago. So you see, if you're gonna be leaving your home, you better take time to read, because if you don't like to read, you're gonna get lost, I think. Nope. Got to make sure there's nothing in there. Okay. So there's a lot of fuzz, and people are it's first time to be stopped. I've seen this a long time ago. So let's go. And yeah, some more walking. Get your shoes up. Look, me, I'm never afraid to go outside of my country. I'm good. Any country. Name it, I'm good, ready to rock and roll. However, what I would say, it involves a lot of walking. If you're not sure about what you're doing, just stop and ask. It's going to save you a lot of time. Okay? Yeah, it looks impressive here. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. Yeah. Don't be afraid, stop. And one tip, okay, so that's the train that we're talking about. They call it the REM. All right, so it's all electric, it's earth friendly. So there you have this thing displaying what it does and publicity, yeah. If you are wondering why everything is displaying in French, because Montreal is a French, that's a French colony. Okay. Yeah, well, it's not nice to say that, but it is what it is. So, yeah. So let's just continue. Don't be afraid to ask for information. You're gonna save time and, until you get it right. All right. Access RAM. Okay, so. All right, down we go. There are people working here to help you. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So customer service. It's this way, and that's where you can buy your ticket. And of course, on this side you have the do and don't. Okay, what you're allowed and not allowed to do. All right, so. So if you have your bank card with you, you can purchase your title there. Yeah. And if you cannot do it alone, up here you see, this tells you you can buy fare for the subway, the train that goes like to little towns, buses. So that's what this thing does. That's what it does, yeah. So I'm guessing there you can buy stuff or have your title registered, or if you're not sure about what you want to do, where you're going, they'll help you. You're not alone. You see those people in green there? If you need help, yeah, those people with green jackets, yeah. If you have any questions or to purchase your title, they'll help you. So, you know what I said about Montreal, I'm gonna take it back because, and what that train differs to other cities who also have automated train is the cost, the fare. So riding the bus, it's $3.75. Riding the train, the light train, is also $3.75. So you're not paying more because it's a train. You're just getting home or to your destination faster, And I think it's okay. You have to validate your title right here, like this. You see, mine worked. Yeah. Wait, like this. Okay, so I'm guessing once it's passed, you cannot do it within the next 10 minutes, just like you would do for the buses. So that's the waiting area. And yeah. Yeah. So, all right, so let's see the map there. What does it say? You are. Okay, so it's saying you are here. Okay, and then, oh, that's cool. So if you take it on this side, it's going toward Nons Island, Panama. I've never been to, or maybe I have but can't remember it. That's a district, business district, du Quartier, and that's Brossard. You know what? Why is it I'm doing that review anyways? It's because over here are nice fishing spot, but there's nowhere to park unless you live on the island. So I'm gonna try to, like get off on Nuns Island and, like see. There are like so many options. So I'm gonna see which one is closer to me, and then I can go back home fast. But out of curiosity, I'm gonna do them all. Yeah, I'm gonna see, okay, from here, Bonaventure Station, how long does it take to Nuns Island? How long does it take to Panama? And then go back. So this one stand out because you're not paying more. Yeah, you're not paying more. You just end up paying the exact same amount that you would pay on the bus, $3.75. But other cities in Toronto, I remember paying $20. Well, that's over 10 years ago, which means now it's no longer $20. It's probably $25 or $30. Yeah, that's Toronto. Okay, one more thing that's cool. You see those doors? You can't be fooling around with your phone with stuff and then you lose it on the track. Then the train has to stop because they have to pull the stop electricity, get someone to go down there, get it for you. So when the train comes in, the door opens up exactly into the cabin. So you can't be fooling around and I don't want to talk about it, but you cannot commit suicide either because when it opens up, if you jump, you're gonna end up in the cabin. So I didn't want to talk about it, but we're here, so it is what it is. Let's see if we can get somewhere with the train. And I had to do it because I'm not going to be living in a city and don't know the newest technology. I am impressed because of how much they charge you to go anywhere fastest flight. But don't get me wrong, going to the airport will not cost you well, maybe because, if I go by bus, no, okay, by bus it's take over $10 something, which is better. Riding a taxi would cost you $60, $70. So $10. It's still an amazing price. So let's wait for the train and see what's up, what's down. I'm going to do them all. So you see, when it opens up, all right. Yeah, so that's the train. Hello. Plenty of room. So they have no choice really to, yeah. So up here, you have all the stops. They're going to tell you next stop is, you got the time up there.
Bienvenue à bord du Rennes.
Yeah.
Direction A1. Brossard.
Welcome to the
Prochaine station, Île des Sœurs.
Direction, Brossard. Next stop, Nuns Island. So I'm trying to, translate for you guys. And once you're on the train, that's what you're gonna get to see. The downtown area. All right. Sorry. Yeah, you see, once you're on the train, instead of doing it by bus and get stuck in traffic, for the exact same price, guys. Yeah, look. Yeah, for the exact same price, you get to go or get to your location faster. But I mean, I've been to other cities. It was already there. But I give respect to the leaders of Montreal because they don't charge you a lot of money. You know, $3.75. That's really nothing. So that's what you get to see while riding on the train. Yeah. So yeah, that's the whole district, Montreal district. Yeah, that's the whole district. Okay. And the train is pretty fast, I tell you. Yeah. Yeah, you see, that's the guy was always looking for fishing spot. You see why I'm riding the train? Because I would like to fish there, but do you see any parking spot you there? No, eh? That's the problem. That's why I've never been there. Those are like nice places to fish at. It's nice, but you know, one ticket here it's $90. $90 upon your job, that's almost a day of work. You know, there's so much more that you can do with $100 that you don't want to give it up to the city like that. So when I get a ticket, I feel bad. You know, yeah. Those are like trains, but not the same. Those are like regular trains that will take you to local towns. You know, people are living like outside of town, far, to come to work. They would ride those trains. You know, so that's cool. Yeah. So can you imagine? I can go fishing to any location that I want to. Yeah, you better believe it. My first motivation, incentive was that, you know. So I brought my fishing rod with me, you know, to make sure that, you know, that I can have a bit of fun and really give you guys a clear idea how long it takes from city center to Nuns Island. By bus it would be some 15-20 minutes. Well, I mean, the traffic kind of like changes everything, because when you're stuck in traffic and rush hour, it takes more than 15 minutes. That's a short ride, but there's too many cars, you know? So that's the problem. Look, you can see the city like a postal card. That's amazing. You know, but I know this place inside out. You better believe it. All this stuff, I can do it by car. I know it inside out. I've been roaming around this obscure neighborhood that looks weird to you guys 17 years, so I know it inside out. I've done it by car, guys. Oh yeah. Oh look, that's Nun Island. Okay. You want to fish there, but look, that's Nun Island right there. That's a different look when you're coming into Nuns Island by the highway. So you're down there. You're coming in from down there, and that's exit 5. Now it's nice. It's just 11 something. That's Bell Center, Graham Bell, and there are amazing fishing spots down there. But I could never go because it's all residential. If you park your car, you're gonna get towed.
Station Île des Sœurs.
So alright, we left the Central Station, Bonaventure. It was 11:15. So it took 6
Les
minutes.
portes s'ouvriront sur le côté
Yeah.
droit.
So it took 6 minutes to make it to Nons Island. So they tell you the door will be open this way, right side. My French is on point, man. You see? Yeah, so you would get off and then there are buses. I'm not gonna go now. I want to go back and forth, do a complete review, but if I would exit now, there are buses downstairs who would take me to my location, home or whatever, the groceries, the bank. So, yeah, that's a different view. Yeah, you see? It's beautiful, really. I was too hard on the city. Yeah, this is well done. It's not done easy. It took a long time, but it's well worth it. You can chop to pieces 1 hour into like 15 minutes. That's huge, you know, hours of riding. If I would leave from home to the South Shore by bus, and I do it like the regular way, we're talking 2 hours. That is chopped down into half an hour from home to the Central Station, Bonaventure, and then from there that's peanuts. There's one going, and us we're going back. So
Du quartier.
yeah, never stuck in traffic anymore, you know. And it can only get better, eh, guys? You know?
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté gauche.
Yeah. As of now, there are only one, two, three. There are only 4 stations, but my feeling tells me that eventually it will continue further. You know, it's just like takes a lot of work. But I can see this going to 10 stations, no problem. Maybe not now, but you can tell, you can vision, you know, if you're a visionary, you know for sure this will continue. Or maybe some of them already are under process, but they are not ready yet to welcome people. Yeah, guys, I also forgot to tell you guys that the RAM give you access to free Wi-Fi. So on your way to home or whatever, if you're low on data, you can use their data, high speed, no problem, you know. So if you guys remembered when we took off from the Bonaventure station, it was 11:15. How about that? Our round trip, it's not even noon yet. By car, to do this much, we're talking, well, by car it's 1 hour, that's for sure. By bus, 2 hours. So yes, it does make the RAM, the the automated free Wi-Fi, the automated train does make a difference. Yeah, so this is it. We're taking off, and behind me, I can see the
Bienvenue à bord du REM.
So,
Direction Gare Centrale.
yeah.
Prochaine station du quartier.
So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'm gonna take the different view of the city going back to Nons Island.